Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can do the factory setting your iMac. When your iMac is closed, you need to close first. If it's open, you just close your iMac, and then let me show the keyboard. Oh, sorry. Okay, keyboard here. Let me bring a little bit further. Whenever you open the iMac, let's see, let me bring the closer to you guys, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna press the Command and R right there. Command and R together when you open your iMac. Let's go ahead, start it. And let me open the first iMac. You will hear the noise and Command and R right there. While we can look to also hold on. We can look to the screen. The Apple Apple there, so like when you see the Apple, then just leave it the key which you were pressing, just leave it, and then it's gonna give the option to you guys. Let me go ahead. Alright, it's gonna give the option. Hold on. Alright, still loading. Yeah, it's very easy process. Of course, you need to know how to do that. So today I'm showing you guys how you can do it. Yeah, it's gonna take a little while. Almost there, I think. Yeah. So what are you guys gonna do when your iMac is open? Just close the iMac. Then after that, open your iMac, push the button, and same time you just push the keyboard button, Command and R, and then after that you will see there's the options. Now we're gonna see that, and you will continue to follow what I did on video, and then you can make your iMac as factory setting. So you're gonna erase all the whatever you had on the iMac, back up your all the work, external drive or USB flash, and still okay, almost, I think. Right there, see, this is the one you need to have right there. See, this is the OX utilities, and what we're gonna do is let me go a little, okay, a little bit, okay. So what are you gonna do? You will go ahead and click the utility disk, and go ahead. This is the machine tag right there. So right there, go here. This is the one right here. Then let me go, and then right there. There is a raise button here. You have to raise completely whatever you have, everything. When you raise, you have to click it. Then after that, this is gonna raise whatever have your inside. The photos are gonna go, and everything whatever you put in this computer is gonna raise. And then I don't wanna do my computer right now, but that's what you're gonna do. What are you gonna do? Then you will go ahead after the reinstall the OS X. This is the reinstalling the new copy of the OS X. Then you will wait maybe like if you click here, but I don't want to do right now because it's not gonna work. I have to erase all whatever I had before. So when you click this reinstall, you have to follow the direction, right? See, OSXLE, and you have to push the click, and you have to go to continue, then so on. Whatever it shows you, you just follow up. Then after that, you have a new software, I mean factory setting, and like a brand new, it's gonna be the brand new computer. Well, this way, if you have any problem with the computer, and then you can solve this way too. So yeah, overall, this is the it. You can make it this way, the factory setting. All right, guys, and thank you for watching this video. See you soon with another video. All right, guys, bye bye.